Hello, hi, thanks so much for tuning in today to the iNaturalBody channel. This is Sonia. Hey, this video is a short review. It's about a product that I purchased here recently. I purchased bath bombs and soaps from Sante Soap Company. They were one of the vendors at the Tall Ships Festival in Galveston this year. And so I wanted to come on and just give you guys a review of that product that I purchased and my daughter did get to experience. And of course, yours truly had the experience of cleaning up after that bathroom experience. So, of course, first of all, it smelled absolutely beautiful. I really enjoyed the scent. It wasn't harsh and it wasn't strong, but it was nice and delicate. It smelled really nice in the bathroom, and Sage also enjoyed it. Another thing that I noticed is the level and the amount of spinning. That tells me that the recipe was made perfectly, because this bath bomb just continued to spin not only for the duration of this video, but long after the video was completed. And of course, you know, I had to edit the video some, so this is not the total length of time of this video of it spinning. So definitely appreciate the amount of attention put into the recipe here, because not only did it spin and spin and spin, I also took note of whether or not the amount of micas that was used during the process making the bath bomb, of course, and obviously not a whole lot, because it did not stain the bathtub. Now, whether or not that's the reason it didn't stain the bathtub, I can't say for absolute certain, or if there's something in the recipe that prevents it from staining the bathtub. I really appreciated that. So really enjoyed their product. I will link to their information in the description box below. Go out and check them out. Visit their website. The ladies there are so awesome. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. This is Sonia saying have a great day today, and I will see you guys on whatever it is I'm working on next. Bye.